Alright, now here is an exciting news for Samsung Galaxy Watch users out there. Samsung has just added a brand new health-centric feature called Irregular Heart Rhythm Notification. Now this feature may be available in some of the countries already. Here in India, we have just received this feature. If you already have this, do let me know in the comment section below. Now before I go ahead and throw some light on this feature, let's see how to update this and how does it work. First, you need to update the Health Monitor application. Now this is the Health Monitor app you see. This is how it looks. We currently have blood pressure and ECG here. Now this app needs to be updated. Let me show you the update that we have received for this particular application. Samsung has already pushed it to almost all the Galaxy Watches running on Wear OS, at least in my region. You see the latest version here is 1.3.4.004. And the updated date is 21st August 2024 and the size is 58.54 MB. Now you need to make sure you update the Samsung Health Monitor application and you need to update this on the Galaxy Watch as well. I have already updated this on the Galaxy Watch 6 series. This is the Watch 6 Classic I have got here. This is the Galaxy Watch 7 series. I have got the feature on both these watches now, and this feature is also made available for the Galaxy Watch 4. So any Galaxy Watch which is running on the Wear OS is eligible to get this update. Now, after you update the application on the phone, you need to make sure you update this on the watch as well. Let me just quickly show you how this works. You need to go to the Play Store here. Here, scroll all the way down. You will see Manage Applications. Just tap on that. If the update is available for the application, it will show you right here. You see, I've got a few updates available for a few applications here. And I also had an update for the health application, which I have already updated, so it is not showing up here. You see, even the Samsung Health application has been updated. So if you have any update for Samsung Health application or the Health Monitor application, you will get it right here. Just go ahead and update this. After you update the applications on both the watch and the phone, all you need to do is just go to the Samsung Health application. Here at the bottom, you have got blood pressure and ECG. Just tap on ECG and then tap on this three-dot button here and tap on Settings. Now here you will see Notifications option. Just tap on that. This is where you have this option, Irregular Heart Rhythm. Get a notification when the watch detects an irregular heart rhythm. Just make sure to enable this toggle here. By default, after the update, this was enabled. So even on your phone, this might have already been enabled. Just wanted to let you know where exactly you need to enable this, where exactly we have got this feature. This is all you need to do. Now, if there is any irregular heart rhythm, the watch will measure it and notify us on the phone as well as on the watch. So this is a brand new feature. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is this irregular heart rhythm notification. This is a health monitoring tool that helps users identify potential signs of atrial fibrillation. Atrial fibrillation is a common heart rhythm disorder. So how does this feature work? The watch will periodically measure the user's heart rhythm in the background and notify them if it detects any irregularities suggestive of atrial fibrillation. This allows us to seek medical attention if needed, and we can get deeper insights into our heart health. So, irregular heart rhythm notification is a feature which enables the watch to identify potential signs of atrial fibrillation. Now, what exactly is this atrial fibrillation? Let's discuss that. Atrial fibrillation is a common heart rhythm disorder where the upper chambers of the heart beat irregularly and rapidly. This chaotic electrical activity disrupts the normal coordinated contractions, impacting the heart's ability to pump blood efficiently. This is what happens in the heart if you have atrial fibrillation, and this irregular heart rhythm notification feature on the Galaxy Watch will notify us about this particular condition by periodically measuring the heart rhythm in the background. So this is a fantastic new feature, health-centric feature now we have on Galaxy Watches, which was announced some time ago, and it's great to see Samsung making these features now available. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know if you have got this feature already on your watch. In which country have you received this update, or in which country you already have this feature? Drop a comment. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel to know your Galaxy phones and Galaxy Watches better. More than 80% of the viewers on the channel have not subscribed yet. It doesn't cost you a penny. All you need to do is just subscribe to learn more about your Galaxy Watches and the Galaxy phones. That's about it. If you're interested in this home screen wallpaper, I have left a link for that in the description. Go ahead, download it. And while you do that, give this video a like if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.